But yes, this is
Hey, man.
to be,
How you
to
guys
feel
doing, man?
right, to
Hey,
feel
thanks for
right. I
stopping
don't know
by.
what it's called.
This is Shag's Reacts if you're new here, man. I'm Shaggy McPot. And if you're not new here, hey, how you guys doing, man? Thanks for stopping by again, man. Hey, check it out.
So we thought
Aurora.
we would do it for you guys.
And I'm not talking Borealis. I'm talking about that beautiful little goddess girl from Norway who's got the amazing fucking voice. That's who I'm talking about. I found out she did. Well, I didn't find out. I knew she did these sound check, like little sound check shows that she was doing. Like, I think on this last tour, or the last tour, or something like that. Anyway, whatever. I got some sound check shit. So let's check this out. Here we go. All right, man. We got Aurora live to Be All Right. It's a sound check show. So this ought to be a lot of fun, man. So let's not say here yakety yak. Let's just jump up in this, man. Here we go with Aurora live. Here we go.
But yes, this is to feel alright, to be alright. I don't know what it's called. Because we haven't done it in all year live, so we thought we would do it for you guys. I know I belong here on earth, but I long to be lifted up. My heart does not rhyme the rhythm of my mind. Was life worth living if you don't dance to anything? Night after night, oh, I long to feel alright. I want to feel it, what the people talk about. How do you find it so easy? And all I can is ask, whatever you say is never right. So I want to, you cannot make me feel it. And wherever I go, I'm always blind, so I lose my track. Make me feel alright. How I hunger for touch. How could you say that I love too much? I don't want to fight, I just want to feel alright. What is life worth living if you don't bleed for anything? Night after night, oh, I long to feel alright. I want to feel it, what the people talk about. How do you find it so easy? And all I can is ask, but whatever you say, I'm always fine. So can you make me feel it? Wherever I go, I'm always blind, so I lose my track. Make me feel all la 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 la
Fuck yeah, dude.
feel alright. Thank you. I'm going.
All right, man. That was fucking just awesome, dude. I love Frederick. He is just the coolest dude in the planet, man. Fucking sitting over there just jamming, having so much fun, man. I'd like to know what he said. I couldn't hear what he said, man, but that was a lot of fun, dude. It would be really cool, man. You know, I think it's cool that she does those sound check things like that, because like most bands don't, you know, during sound check it's check one, hup, 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 hup. You get a couple of, you get like, you know, the guitar player come out and go bam, 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 and okay, sounds good, all right, yeah, poop, poop, the guitar off and poof, gone. A lot of times, because I used to do live events and stuff like that, it wouldn't even be the guitar player, it'd be the guitar tech that's up there doing the guitar noise, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's kind of cool, man. It's cool that she does that, man. I think it's really neat because it's really kind of fucking fan interactive, and she's just so fucking great, man. I love that girl. Right on, man. I hope you had fun, man. Go check Aurora out. Everything's in the description down there, man. And here, let me get this thing here. I want to say thank you to Olan Bertrand Bassett for the fucking video, man. You're the shit, homie. Fucking good looking out on that one, man. Hey, I love you guys, man. I hope you guys have fun. Go check out Aurora. Everything's in the varmint. It's not a varmint. It's a description in the bottom of the variable. Down underneath the video, there's words that I put there. All the shit for Aurora is in them words. I love you guys. I hope you guys had fun with me. Fucking brain. All right, man. Love you guys, man. Hey, I will see you guys on the next one, man. Don't ever let nobody or nothing dim your shine, man, because you are so fucking awesome, dude. You really are. You know what, man? You are the fucking shit, homie. I love you. I'll check you again, man. Whoop, whoop.
Just want to feel alright. I don't want to fight. I just want to feel alright.